Really, on the face of it, your video software seems quite easy to develop. Actually taking the video, you've then got to send that up to the cloud to then deliver it to a customer. What people don't understand is the complexities of the different compression algorithms, different codecs. There's Android, there's iOS, there's web interfaces, compliance issues. It takes a lot of engineering, and then you have to figure out the logistics. Here at TruVideo, we focus on delivering great solutions and having a team monitoring these solutions all the time. The leading software vendors in the transportation industry are embedding our video and our communication platform into their solutions. But they're now looking for best-of-breed communication, the latest augmented reality, and AI dubbing. Not only do we have the individual building blocks that can seamlessly just plug into your platform, but we actually have the entire ecosystem. And that's what we deliver for your organization.